Hi! Welcome to dive into Pooja's books and dive into
Yog's book.
Yog's books. Okay, Yog, tell me, how old are you?
4.
He's 4 years old. Okay, Yog, will you answer some interesting quiz questions that I will ask you?
Yes, I'm so excited. Yes.
You are excited
Yes.
to answer them? Okay, let's go. How many legs does a spider have? 8 is the answer. Okay. If you freeze water, what do you get? Ice. If you freeze water, you get ice. That is a form of water, the solid form of water. Liquid form of water is water, and the gas form of water is steam. If you heat water, it becomes steam. Okay. What do caterpillars turn into when they grow?
Butterflies.
Tell me loudly.
Butterflies.
Butterflies. They turn into butterflies. What do bees make? Honey. The bees make honey. Yes. Where is the Great Pyramids of Giza? In which country?
Egypt.
Egypt. Okay. Okay. When do the leaves die? The leaves you see here, they are all
autumn.
green. In autumn. Right now it's summer, the leaves are green. But now when the autumn will come, the leaves will change their colors and finally they will die and fall down in autumn. Okay. Do you see this flower? If I drop it, it falls down. Why do the things fall down when I drop it?
Of gravity.
Because of
Gravity.
gravity. Because the gravitational force of the earth is pulling it down. So if I drop it, it falls down to the ground.
Yeah,
because
it doesn't fly.
because it doesn't fly. Oh, this is also cool. The birds can fly, so they don't fall down. They cannot fly, so they fall down. Correct, Yugi.
Yes.
Okay. How many colors are there in a rainbow?
7.
7 colors in a rainbow. Next question. Which country is home to a kangaroo?
Australia.
Australia. Was it very easy for you?
Yes.
Okay. Australia is also the smallest continent of the world. Okay. Which animal is the tallest in the world?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Can you answer these questions quicker than Yog? You also keep on answering with me. Yog is really quick in answering all the questions. Okay. Next question. How many continents are there in the world?
7.
7 continents in the world. Which is the largest continent?
Asia.
Asia. The largest continent is Asia. Superb. Which is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest. It's the largest mountain in the world and it is in Asia. Correct. How many toes do you have? Toes. 10 toes. Toes are the little fingers of your leg. And how many fingers do you have in your hand?
10.
That is also 10. Perfect. High five. What do you hug with? What do you hug
Hands.
with? Hands. You hug with your hands. Superb. So these are called hands. Okay, next question. What shape has 3 sides? You have to stand here, otherwise I can't see you. How many What shape has 3 sides?
Triangle.
Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. And how many sides does a square have?
4.
4. You are so smart, Yogi, I have to tell you. Okay, what shape is the letter O?
Circle.
Circle. The letter O is a circle. What thing tells you the time?
Clock.
Yes.
And watch.
Clock and watch, they tell you the time. Super. Next, by what can you cut a paper?
Scissors.
Scissors. It is called scissors. Oh, these are very easy for you. What do you eat your soup with? What is it
Spoon.
called? You eat your soup with a spoon. Okay, next question. What are apples and oranges?
Fruits.
Fruits. Okay. Are chips healthy for you?
No.
Chips are not healthy for you. What is a chip? It's a
Junk.
junk food. So you should have them very rarely, only sometimes. Right? Is dolphin a mammal? Yes,
Yes.
or no? Yes. Dolphin is a mammal. It can lay dolphins and not eggs. Okay. Which is the only mammal that can fly?
Bat.
Bat. Bat is the only mammal that can fly. It has external ears. All other birds that fly, they lay eggs. They are not mammals. Is Diplodocus a plant-eating or a meat-eating dinosaur?
Plant.
Plant-eating. Is Tyrannosaurus rex a plant-eating or meat-eating?
Meat.
It's a meat-eating dinosaur. Okay. Which is the dinosaur that has 3 horns on its head?
Triceratops.
Triceratops has 3 horns on its head. Superb. Okay, very nice. Is sun a star or a planet?
A star.
Sun is a star. It is a star which is closest to us. That's why we can see it big as a round. Otherwise, all of the stars, they look like these shapes and they are very far to us. Okay, next question, Yogi. You are doing so nice. You have answered so many questions. Which is the biggest cat? Which is the biggest
Tiger.
cat? Tiger! It is the biggest cat. Did you enjoy answering so many questions today?
Yes.
Superb. I also enjoyed.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It really means a lot to us, right?
If you like our video, give us a
Thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Keep watching. Keep learning.
Okay, bye.